Kabayan, meron pa tayo dito available na corner lot na malapit lang sa gate. So, yan ang ating main gate. Nakita nyo. And then, available pa itong ating corner lot. Ang lot area is 186 square meters. Pre-selling po ito, kabayan. Again, this is pre-selling. Pwede pong ma-stretch up months ang kanyang down payment, 10% lamang po.
Kabayan, ito po yung itatayo doon sa corner lot na ipinakita ko kanina. This is Natalie model and ang gross floor area niya is 123.8 square meters. So meron po itong total na 4 bedrooms and complete finish turnover na din. So dito sa taas, naka wood tiles po ito. A common toilet and bath for 2 bedrooms and for the master's bedroom, meron itong sariling toilet and bath. And of course with balcony.
And through bank and in-house financing, this is corner lot. Ayan. Ayan po. So kung interested kayo dito, kabayan, paunahan na lang po ito. Nag-iisang corner lot na available malapit sa gate. Again, ito po ay